Looking for something smooth and creamy without the guilt? Look no further than this creamy tahini coconut ice cream. Tahini is my go-to secret culinary ingredient to making meals nice and smooth and creamy. I toss it in everything from sauces to soups and even salad dressings. But today I'm using it in this creamy tahini ice cream. To make it even more fun to eat, I've topped it off with Central Roast milk chocolate rainbow drops. I just love that this product has no artificial colors or flavors and no hydrogenated oils. So that way you get indulgence without the guilt and with ingredients that you can feel good about eating. So what is tahini exactly? Well, tahini is a paste that is made from sesame seeds. It is also one of the top sources of calcium. That's right, move over milk. It has 20% complete protein, which means it has even more protein than nuts. It's also easy for your body to digest, which makes it a great weight loss food. And that's why I like to use it in my sauces for my clients, because it gives them a nice creamy sauce without the added calories or the guilt. It's also really high in healthy fats as well. Tahini is also really high in vitamin E, and vitamin E is important for healthy hair, skin, and nails. Tahini is also high in B vitamins as well. Now let's get into that ice cream. Hey, if you love this video and if you're looking for more healthy dessert inspiration, click on the link below for a healthy dessert recipe guide. You're gonna get lots of recipes that are gonna teach you how to add more foods into your diet that don't make you feel guilty. That's right, you can have desserts guilt-free. Also, make sure to click on the link to subscribe so that you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching.